In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off the birthday notification on Instagram. Getting constant notifications about birthdays can be overwhelming, especially if you follow lots of people on the platform. Luckily, Instagram allows you to easily turn off these notifications in just a few simple steps. To get started, open up the Instagram app. And then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner. And then tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, tap Notifications. And then scroll down to the very bottom and tap Birthdays. To turn off birthday notifications on Instagram, simply tap and select the off option. Now you won't receive any notifications when it's someone's birthday. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.